Hey y'all, we wanted to share a little bit about our experience at Thousand Trails Orlando, or TTO.
So we're going to give you a little glimpse here and there about TTO and what we've seen here.
All right, let's do it. Now we were camped on Triggerfish number 93, which is not in the new section, but concrete pad all the same. And if you look way back there, you can see where the office is and the recreation room and those things, and we'll go check it out. Let's do it. So these are the pickleball courts. They're used a lot, very nice. We'll head on over to the recreation center and the pools. Okay y'all, this is in the rec room and mail room right over there. And they've got a nice store right here in the rec room. Some activities going on. There's always a lot of activities happening here.
Line dancing lessons.
So whether you bring your RV or you choose to rent a cabin, Thousand Trails Cabin Pass. Either way, great place to stop, and just know you're 6 to 8 miles from all the major theme parks. Thanks for coming along on our little tour of TTO.
Contact Warren and Sharon Lewis. They can answer any questions you might have on Thousand Trails.
All their information will be in the description, so give them a call.